Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sandhya Singh. Today I'm doing high ponytail on my straight hair. As you know, I love straight hair and I just did straightening using iron. So here I go. How to do it: take some hair from the front area, make a half ponytail like so, and you will see how cute I am looking in that half ponytail. I was looking so cute and younger too. Look, isn't it great? And I was thinking, okay, let's stop the video. I don't want to shoot it further. But then I thought, let's do it, yaar. You people love my high ponytail. So next you have to do is to bring all your hair together like so and make a high ponytail securing it a rubber band, and make sure to comb it like so, like I'm doing from bottom to upside. You have to do it comb like this will really uplift your hair ponytail. Now secure your hair using a good rubber band and remove the first rubber band if it is visible, just like mine. And if you have used black rubber band, thinner one, and if it is not visible, then you don't have to remove it, but if it is visible, then yes, you should remove it. Now take some hair from your ponytail and wrap it around rubber band around your ponytail to cover to hide the rubber band, and this will also uplift your ponytail, also make it look more stylish, and yes, it's give a pretty good look, pretty stylish look. So this is what I really like while making the high ponytail, and you can see it totally changed the look of your ponytail and also enhance it. The best part of this hairstyle is you can wear it in any occasion and on any outfit, and anyone can wear it. So this is how I do my high ponytail whenever I do. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you have enjoyed my video and you liked it, and thanks for watching it. If you have any query related to skin health or hair, you can leave that in comment section. I will surely reply back to you. And if you have any request regarding my next video, then you can leave that in comment section. And that is all. Till the next time, take care. Have a very nice day. Bye bye.